Climb inside the 2008 Chrysler Pacifica. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 4-liter 6-cylinder engine. It includes power seats, front and rear reading lights, a rear window wiper, a leather steering wheel, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, front fog lights, and power windows. Third-row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. Chrysler ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.